Ah, hello. Fancy seeing you here. It's a nice spot, no? Oh, I want to show you something from yesterday, if you don't mind. I found this on the beach. You know, we were on the beach. Wasn't it great? All the waves. Wasn't it beautiful? I found this. Look. It doesn't look special. It weighs nothing. It weighs nothing. It weighs nothing. That's a piece of volcanic rock, isn't it? Basalt or whatever. That's like pumice or whatever. But it's lava that's hardened. It weighs nothing. And it's turned into this beautiful black pebble. I would give it to one of the Darkwing Sisters if it meant anything. If you want it, I'll send it to you. It's filled with power. Extraordinary stories of how all of this shit around you was born. Okay, let's introduce you to a friend. Yesterday was really enjoyable. I liked it a lot. I really did. I thought it was fantastic. So, thanks for coming with me all the way out there to the sea and joining me there and sitting on my shoulder. I felt your love today. It always means a lot. When you leave a little heart on my stuff, when you say a comment, it means a lot. Oh look, a little acorn that's been eaten. Little tooth marks. Look at this. A little acorn with little tooth marks. Look. Look. Little squirrel's tooth marks. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, you have it. I'll put it at your feet. Or shall we keep it as a memento? Yes, it can go with the lava. There we go. Alright, so this is one you probably haven't seen before. This is one of my favourite guitars. A lot of work went into this. Ignore the headstock. This is a 1984 Court. Look at how distressed she is. And it's called a Paisley Raise, believe it or not. Believe it or not. You can look it up, 1984 Telecaster Paisley Ray. It's Paisley Burst, and it's actually in the finish. It's not some wallpaper. Anyway, you don't give a shit about that, do you, girls? You just like to hear it sing. You like to hear it sing tales to your beauty. I love this thing. A lot of work went into this one. Do you want it? To learn on? You can have it. All you've got to do is come and collect it. No conditions. You can walk straight in and straight out with it. Obviously. Double coil sound. It's a bit woodier. A bit more of an ice pick. I'm going to turn you around and show you the trees. Don't get excited when I say I'm going to turn you around. It make the others too excitable.